Problem 34 states, given the following code segment, state the output. So we're looking through here and we see we have a function declaration with a character pointer and two integers that are passed by value. Inside we have char input and we have 101010. And then we're calling func input 05 and we're printing out an integer. So let's see what this actually does. So here's the function, and we're initially going to call func, and for simplicity, I'm going to write I, 0, and 5. So we're going to set mul is equal to 0, and if input place is equal to 1, then we say mul is equal to power of 2 to the value. So input is 101010. And right now, place is 0, so here we have this value here. And then we do 2 to the value. So value is this value, so it's going to be 2 to the 5. So we have mul is equal to 2 to the 5. And then we say 2 to the mul plus function of input, place plus 1, value minus 1. So we're going to say plus function I14. And we get down here, next one, mul is equal to 0. And then place is equal to 0, 1, 0. So we don't do anything. Plus function I2, 3. Then we get here, 3 is a 1, so it's going to be 2 to the 3. Plus function I14. Oh, sorry, yeah, this is going to be 3, 2, excuse me. So function 3 is a 0. 0 plus function I, comma 4, comma 1. To the fourth element here is a 1, so it's going to be 2 to the 1 plus function I, 5, and 0. And when we have value is equal to 0, well, first, 1, this value is a 0, so we don't add anything. And this becomes 0, and this returns. So this is 2 plus 0. 0 plus 2. 2 to 3 is 8, so this becomes 10. This becomes 0 plus 10. And then we have 2 to the 5, which is 32, so the value is 42. And that's what's finally returned. And we see that 42A is our correct answer. We check to make sure in main that %D is the integer that we want. So A is the right answer.